Hello friends, welcome to a video on how to use if function in Excel. Normally, if function is used when there is only one value, then we have to write for true and false. See, if our value is 10 or greater than 10, it should be true. If our value is less than 10, then it should be false. But if we have given three criteria, low, medium, high, anything you write, okay, then how to do this? For the same, I have taken this example where we have a selling of a product. We have product A, price of that product is 1 rupees. We have sold 5 quantity, total amount is 5 into 1, 5 rupees. 10% discount is 0.5 rupees. Net profit is 4.5. Now the criteria is, if our profit is less than 5 rupees, then comment should be low. If our profit is greater than 5 rupees, then comment should be medium. If our profit is greater than 10, then comment should be high. Now let us see how to do this. First, I will delete this. I will extend this for the better understanding of the formula. Now selected the cell, press equal to, type if. Double click on if, it will ask logical test. Okay. Select the cell, okay. If the value written in this cell is greater than 10, then what comment should be there? Press comma, comment should be high. Okay. Now press comma. This one term we have closed. Again type if, press double comma, select this cell. If this value, selected value, is greater than 5, then what comment should comes? Medium. Okay. Now again give comma. Forget about the bracket and all. Now again we have one more criteria is low. Then type again if. Select, double click. Then again it will ask logical test. Select this cell. If F3 is less than 5, then what comment should comes? Press low. Okay. Now we have to close the bracket. How many open brackets are there? 1, 2, 3. Press 3 brackets. 1, 2, 3. See, the color will matches. This color, one bracket closed, red closed, and this color black is closed. Now press enter. See, our profit is 4.5, then it is less than 5, comment will be low. If I drag this, the formula will not appear because we have not locked the cell. Now what to do is, you just lock this cell by using dollar symbol, then lock K7, then lock K6. Okay. Now drag this formula to the bottom. It will come. Now if you change any value, on price we change to 10 rupees, automatically comment changes. Then it means our formula is correct. I hope you found this video very useful. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.